Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. A former Rusea's high school football player, Miguel Jones, has been arrested for robbing a bank in the United States of America, ladies and gentlemen. It's a breaking news. Jamaicans home and abroad. Me tell you, say them and them cool. You arganty and no fraud. Here you have a young man by the name of Miguel A Jones out of Hanover. And the sources are saying, and it's been reported in the news to tell you the truth, that he has been arraigned Monday, in the Connecticut court because he was arrested last week for armed robbery of the Rockland Trust Bank in Vineyard Haven, Martha's Vineyard in the USA. At least him go choose one nice neighborhood. Him never go rob one poor person. But this a youth are idiot. You can't leave Jamaica, tough Jamaica, down in a Hanover, and Ghana foreigner have opportunity for the all Martha's Vineyards. And a bank you gonna rob. Boy, you shouldn't keep a legal job. Well, the 30-year-old Miguel Jones, a young, strong, strapping youth, couldn't get a job, who is now employed as a seasonal landscaper in the United States and reside in Edgartown, Martha's Vineyards, Massachusetts. So hold on, a farm worker? I want a little cheap slave. Go up there and never get paid enough and decide to take too much. Jones was charged with being an accessory after the fact, relating to a bank robbery Thursday. So him a the getaway driver. Do you understand? Reports in Martha's Vineyard Times said that Jones pled not guilty to charge and was offered a $300,000 bail by Judge Benjamin Barnes. A crew that was out recommend that there should be an order attached for the bail. Now the crew is saying there should be a curfew ahead of the bail being granted. Cape and Island Assistant District Attorney Michael Giardino maintained that Jones was a flight risk. No man, he's not going nowhere, man. Describe him as a Jamaican individual whose time here is scheduled to terminate early March. But the Jamaican attorney, Casey Double, contended that her client absolutely has no criminal record. Well, him have one now. Here, nor in Jamaica, anywhere the report court. She said in the court, how she know that? Them man that could have be gangster. Oh, to him come up and farm work. It no matter we write off them things down here. You are gonna take. Clean up your record yachts so you can fly out. Me nah suggest you go to Martha's Vineyards. Nah figure rob no bank. But fly out. Fly out. You're worth it. Continuing, she said, Mr. Jones has been coming here for us every single year since 2016 for at least 5 months to raise money for him 3 children who he does take care of back home in a Jamaica. Me think I lie tell. And even if this is true, he has been going to America from 2016. You are going to take close to 6 years that could be. Now, if you did not take care of your picnic them, and you get a chance to go up on farm work, or get to fly out, to go take care of people landscape, why you are going to try rob a bank for escape? You only 30. You have whole heap of farm working for do. That means that you have something where you work on Take your time and take it jip. But you want turn on the pipe and get rich quick. No sanky, no sing so. Listen, people, children, boys and girls, men and women, when you no go out and go someplace, don't try to use it third world mental. You're not smart and you're not slick. Them have whole heap of police will come and catch you quick. Them have cameras, facial recognition, fingerprint. I want to not play the game with them man you play. When you get a chance to fly, fly. And when you can return, return and don't explain why. Because enough of them people here sell out. All them dudes go foreign and get catch in them situation like Jones. Miguel A. Jones is a fool. Because if you have a links where you fly out from 2016, that means that you don't know the golden rule. You know how foreign run. Now, he and his incredible involved with his family. And that the attorney, I pick up from where attorney and say, sorry for sidetrack you. Right, he is incredibly involved with his family. He coaches youth soccer, youth football. He used to be a professional baller in Jamaica. Right, so when things say this about him some kind of favor. And them Rusea why the judge was thinking because you did around Pickney. You did a professional baller so you don't need for thief. And you come in my country to get a relief. And you try to take one thing and hide it in your brief. Your mother's blouse and skirt. Turning to the charge against her client. Double said people were looking for someone to blame for the robbery. So I guess them not get back the money. He instead is not no scapegoat. Because the attorney insisted that this person is not the person to be doing this. He's extremely motivated. He's not a flight risk. And at this point, he's very weak. The case is very weak, I'm sorry. So there's no reason why he shouldn't get bail. According to allegations on November 17, at about 8:15 a.m. in the morning, 3 men, all dressed in black, armed with semi-autos, forced their way into the bank and removed a sum of U.S. currency. Then, me never hear how much. The bank employees were bound and duct taped, and plastic restrainers were used. The state report. The men then allegedly stole one of the employees' vehicle, a Nissan Murano, which they later abandoned and parked in a parking lot. They not parked nothing, man. Them just run out of that and left that and dip. About 8:29. Remember now, you know, them said at 8:15 the bank robbery going on, you know. 14 minutes later, 8:29, the hoodlums aboard jumped on another vehicle. The investigators alleged, and it was being driven by none other than Miguel A. Jones. During the preliminary stage of the probe, lawmen tracked down Jones. Inside his car, they found 3 $100 bills, 2 of which reportedly displayed matched the sequence serial number of the money that was stolen during the robbery. You see it? The man them know all the serial number them with upon the money. So not more than. This robbery went down. The other 3 clowns thief the car and link him. Him a play a good Samaritan. Them pop him off $300 bill right away out of the cash flow. And say, hold this. Him now realize that foreign police have investigatory skills. Because as soon as the police them roll up on him, they said he was wearing a pair of white Nike sneakers and also were in dark clothing. So him probably was just they down the road and wait upon them. Say, man, I'm not coming there, but me, I'll wait right down here, and if we don't get you, Me be the getaway driver because you no can't drive the same vehicle. Me park over the next parking lot. When you thief a car or take with one of the girlfriend car, we help we set it up. When you tape up in a bank. Because usually when my people do some inside job like this, I want girl ready there. And the bank, them are going to investigate everybody. No worry. Them are going to listen to every phone call and watch your action, see who quit and all that. And then track you down. But while questioning Jones, lawman said them observe a green vegetation like the substance which appear to similarly match the material located in the abandoned vehicle on Jones's shoes. You see, Jamaica don't go that far, you know. Now, during Jones reportedly being interviewed, he was being evasive. He was only charged with accessory after the fact. He is to return to Edgartown District Court December 16 for a probable cause hearing. I mean, I hope you don't run away, no, brother. Because if you run away, they must say you're guilty. Now, if you're guilty, I want you to run away. Don't be a fool. Because all you're going to do is do time of foreign for thief $300 because I'm going to $300 you get. And then I'm going to deport you. Somebody just want you to deport yourself. I simple think that. Just give a little help, give a little strength. But I'm telling you people, Jamaicans, we are doing some idiot crime. You are going foreign from 2016. And it's obvious. You're respectable. Because you're there at Martha's Vineyard, Judea, Connecticut. North Jamaica and there New York, Connecticut, Florida and them place there. So all our Jamaican them over all over America. We go up there and farm worker and you're a farm worker. Buy some tools and bring it come back to Jamaica. So our life can easy and save up some money out of America. And when it's time for you to leave, leave and come home. We love you. Nobody with the arms house. Don't go up this one try do extra and then catch and embarrass me whole nation and get dick back to Jamaica and you not bring back nothing. Well, he been going up there since 2016. You are gone teasy. Couple years, but I think him get much. I hope him build a 1 or 2 room. But now, ain't she picking them when him say him I try to take care of. And a little sports team, I go say him a act mean. Cause him not have nothing. Only in his dream. $300 you mash up your life of foreign for. Mash up your visa. You're real fool. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV and I'm reporting live. It is being reported in the Connecticut Times, the Connecticut News, live in a foreign, a Jamaican. Yeah, me talk about Miguel A Jones, a former player of Russia's high school football team. Believe it or not. Get locked up in a Martha's Vineyard for try rob one bank. Mr. Jones, it's like say you never give thanks for the opportunity where you get to fly out. Now, at the whole court system you and the lawyer to try to buy out. I'm suggesting, if you did it, fly out. More life, more joy. Yeah, I'm more happiness, ladies and gentlemen. Me I tell you straight up, just stay blessed. Hit that red subscribe button if you have not subscribed as yet. And get opportunity where some people don't get. And you see when the people go rob the people them and the lawman them get vexed.